Are you completely disillusioned by the 9-to-5 rat race? Life doesn't have to be so damn hard. It really doesn't. Most people, including how it used to be for me, have spent too much time convincing themselves that life has to be hard, and a resignation that the 9-to-5 drudgery is acceptable in exchange for the odd relaxing weekend or holiday. If you're suffering from time famine and living a tolerable and uncomfortable existence, doing something unfulfilling, then listen on, as this doesn't have to be you. My goal is to help you free time and automate income. This is called passive income, money you earn without having to go to work. Similar to a pension, passive income comes in every week of your life and you spend your days doing whatever you choose. In fact, the first credit into my bank account was on a Sunday evening while watching a Netflix box set. How cool is that? The lowest cost, fastest, and most realistic way for you to create passive income today is to set a business up online, because you do the work just once and then get paid over and over again. And there's absolutely no ceiling on your earnings. The internet marketplace is growing exponentially. Billions are spent every day online. And every time you spend money online, whether a product or a service, you're earning vast amounts of money for other people. So capture this potential and use technology and automation to earn money for yourself. If you're serious about changing the status quo and breaking the mold in your life, then learn how to earn money online, which can bring you financial security and time freedom to do the things you love. Hit the button for me to send the series of online masterclasses that changed my life. They taught me the skills needed to earn money online, but most important, give me time freedom and a lifestyle that I'd always aspired to. All the tools were provided with expert support and guidance. So hit the button, enter your name and email address, and I'll send you the video series of online workshops that not only got me started, but how to grow a profitable and online income stream completely from scratch. With a global community of like-minded people our age, you'll realise that neither age or lack of computer tech skills are a barrier, and how straightforward it can be to start earning money online from scratch, no matter what your age or history. I'm Jeremy, and experienced redundancy at the age of 60, completely disillusioned by the 9-to-5 rat race, trying to earn enough to pay the bills for a home and car that I rarely saw in daylight or had the energy to enjoy. To add to my woes, I had no IT or tech experience, but used the video series to prepare and launch my own profitable online business from scratch. So you can push the button for me to send the video straight to your inbox. They'll walk you through the different options of generating different income streams online and how you can design them around your ideal lifestyle and passions. Invest in yourself now and don't let history dictate the future. If you'd like your next season in life to provide a healthy income stream like me, where you're not tied to an office and can work from any location around the globe with just a laptop and internet connection, then you know what to do. Inform yourself. What have you got to lose? What's the worst that could happen? I encourage you to see the infinite possibilities that are there outside of your current discomfort zone. If you decide this isn't for you, then you can pull the plug and you'll never hear from me again. There's absolutely no catch, just a passion to share some really good news. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate your time.